I think just more provocative sort of conversation. I think convergence has already happened. It's done. I mean, if you look into most organizations, we're already seeing some level of integration, whether it's on the technology side or the people side. You sort of seeded some of the questions about, is it a people, process, or technology problem? I think for too many years, everybody kind of has just assumed it's just technology. It's just about networks touching each other. It's about connecting your OT and ICS environments to the corporate networks and then eventually to the internet, right? I actually think the biggest challenges we have are all organizational and people related. The technology is done, right? I come from a technology company now. You can get one solution that will cover all of your assets in IT and OT and mobile and container and everything, right? So I think that we'll quickly see those kinds of solutions come to market. So my belief, it's all about the organizational and people.
And process and procedures and processes are just...
Yeah, the governance certainly has challenges as well, because there's specific governance that doesn't necessarily translate well between the IT side and the operational side. But really, that's just work. That's just going through the governance and ferreting out what is applicable across the board, and then what is, an exception or a unique sort of solution. So again, it's people who have to do that work to, sort through the governance, which is going to be, entity specific, right? So it's going to be specific based on if you're more concerned about safety or more concerned about reliability, or, what your business drivers are from a risk perspective.